Fundamental theorem of calculus part 1. If you are given, say, uppercase fx is the function which is within an integral a to x ft dt, then when you take the derivative of this function, you get this function back with the variable t replaced by x. The same way then, if you have, say that f of x equals a to some function here, ux, and then you have ft dt, then f prime x will go just like a chain rule. So then I don't have to write integral, then it will be f, t will be replaced by ux. And then since this is a function of x, we need to take derivative of this one again. So this is the fundamental theorem of calculus part 1. We take more examples. Suppose we have a function f of x which is within the integral 3 to x. The function is 3t over the square root of t square plus 4t minus 3. Sorry, this should be dt. Then f prime x will be, t will be replaced by x. So it is 3x square root of x squared plus 4x minus 3, and we are done. In the next example, we have now limit goes from x to 3. 3 is a constant in here. When you have something like that, then you get the same answer, but you just need to put a negative in front. Because when you evaluate at 3, that will be a constant, so derivative will be 0 of that constant, and then this x will bring a negative sign in front. Example 3. Now we have y equals integral from pi to square root of x sine t over 4 plus t squared dt. So then derivative dy dx, there is a constant, so we can ignore that one. T will be replaced by square root of x. So you get sine square root of x over 4 plus x because we square it, times the derivative of square root of x is 1 over 2 square root of x. We have now another problem. Here we see the limit, we have x squared to, so x squared is the lower limit and 3x is the upper limit. So what happens when you take the derivative of the function, first work on the top one. So you get 2 times 3x minus 1 to the 4, and then derivative of 3x will be 3. You put a negative sign, again replace t by x squared. So you get 2x squared minus 1 to the 4, and derivative of x squared is 2x, and you are done. It's very simple. So what happens in this case, both places I have variable. So first I take care of 3x on these, and then minus do this one, and exactly we get. Now we are given a problem. Uppercase fx is 10 to x ft dt, and our ft dt is 1 to t squared u plus 1 over u minus 1 du. So we need to find f double prime x. So first start from here. From here we know f prime t will be t squared plus 1 over t squared minus 1 times 2t. We replace u by t squared, and then at the end we take the derivative of t squared, which is 2t. So this is my f prime t. Now let's see what happens in here. We have f prime x will be f t will be replaced by x. So f prime x is fx. Now what is f double prime x? F double prime x will be f prime x. Now we have f prime t is this. So what is our f prime x? We replace your t by x. It's a simple one. So then you get x squared plus 1 over x squared minus 1 times 2x. That's exactly the answer. So we are done. So we got 2x and x squared plus 1 over x squared minus 1. Once you understand fundamental theorem of calculus part 1, then you can apply it and see how all the results are coming comfortable.